Welcome everyone. Today we are going to get the solution of simple equations. Step by step we are going to solve the equations. To solve the simple equation 3n plus 7 equals to 25, step 1 is separate the variable. Here the variable is n. So we have to separate the variable n on the left hand side of the given equation. So first of all, we'll copy down the given equation 3n plus 7 equals to 25. Now, to separate or eliminate, to separate plus 7 on the left hand side, we shall subtract 7 on both sides of the equation. Here I am using red color. I am writing minus 7 left hand side and right hand side. But always remember that we must do the same operation on the both sides of the given equation. On left hand side you can see plus 7 and minus 7, and we know that plus 7 and minus 7 gives 0. Plus 7 minus 7 equals to 0, and 3n plus 0 equals to 3n. In next step we will get only 3n on the left hand side, and on the right hand side 25 minus 7. 25 minus 7 is 18. So on the right hand side we have 18. Now we will separate 3 from the variable n. 3n means 3 times n, or 3 multiplied by n. So step 2, to eliminate 3 from n, we apply the opposite operation of multiplication, which is division. So we divide both the sides of the equation by 3. So when we divide both the sides by 3, on left hand side 3 will be cancelled. On right hand side we get 6. So n equals to 6 is the answer. We write therefore n equals to 6 is the solution of the equation. Now you solve question number 1. 3b plus 8 equals to 12. Let's do question number 2. 2p minus 1 equals to 23. First we copy down the question. 2p minus 1 equals to 23. To separate or to remove minus 1 from the left hand side, we add plus 1 on both the sides of the equation. In next step we write 2p minus 1 equals to 23, and we add plus 1 on both the sides, plus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1. This minus 1 and plus 1 gives us 0. And 2p plus 0 equals to 2p. minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. On left hand side we will have 2p equals to 23 plus 1 will give us 24. This 23 and 1 will give us 24. Now to remove 2, this 2 from p, we divide both sides by 2. We divide 2p by 2 and 24 by 2. 2 will be cancelled on left hand side. On right hand side we will get 12. Next step we get p equals to 12. And we write the solution of the equation is p equals to 12. Let's do next question. Solve 3p by 4 equals to 6. 3p by 4 means 3 by 4 multiplied by p. We also can write in this way. So to remove 3 by 4 from p, we multiply 3 by 4 by 4 by 3, because 3 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 3 gives us 1. 3 can be cancelled, 4 can be cancelled, and we get 1. We also know that 3 by 4 and 4 by 3 are the reciprocals of each other. So to eliminate 3 by 4 from left hand side, we multiply 3 by 4 by 4 by 3. Let's back to the equation. 3 by 4 multiplied by p equals to 6. We multiply both sides of the equation by 4 by 3. And right side also we multiply by 4 by 3. Below p we can write 1 and below 6 we can write 1. On left hand side 4 cancelled, 3 cancelled, and we left with only p. On right hand side we cancel 3 and 6 and we get 2 4s are 8. So we get p equals to 8. And we write the solution of the equation is p equals to 8. Now you solve question number 2, 3y divided by 7 equals to 18. Question number 3, minus 5a divided by 8 equals to 10. Thank you for watching, learning, sharing and subscribing the channel.